So look here, man. RP to my homie Ramon, shorty. You already know I'm going Moan Mob and I'm on some me shit. Too much game. Go on, man.
Shit. Young nigga, I was just a youngin'. Everybody always wanted something. But this young nigga wanted money. And that young nigga wanted hundreds. And now these young niggas acting hundreds like they really proud it. I really doubt it. That crib and all that pipe, boy, I can't leave without it. Can't leave it in the crib. Then I kill my homie Mo. Then I kill my homie Mario. Now them niggas gone, but what the fuck is he on? Man, the young shorty just strong. Every time he come around, he selling bones. Young shorty calling home like, mama, what's up? Come get me out the jam. I'm putting that up for my man. Young niggas ragged on. Motherfuckers going back home and put it back on. Throw his shirts on and put it just back on. Put that shit on Black Stone. Huh? Shit. Can't get no realer than this. Been innocent children and shit. Young niggas came up to a motherfucking building. Now I'm trying to get a building and shit. I won't stop till a billion, bitch. I'm most a billionaire. Young niggas all up in the air. Fuck around, we get it bustin' in here. Come around, you ain't nothing in here. Fuck around, you sending mail, tweeting all through the line, sending subjects in here. Boy, you better cut it out. You ain't chopped out for this. Get your ass knocked out for this. Real shit. Young nigga came around with Kill Switch. Shout out Lil Herb and Lil Diddy on that kill shit, on that fucking stack of meal shit. Get it real quick, I'ma fucking take your meal, bitch. Leave you real sick, leave a little bitch, turn a real nigga to a real bitch. Yeah, Moan gang and that's real shit. Niggas said nothing, the shorties never said nothing. The niggas never said nothing. Thought I was done. You know I was done, guys. Ah! Shit! That's a young you nigga named Jody. Riding around with bitches, I'm so holy. Jody, fuck around, I'm in church with mama, might catch the Holy Ghost. Turning up in the party, bitches catch the Jody Ghost. Over around, fuck around like Jody dope. She gon' take this hella Jody all up in her veins, cause she overdosed. Young niggas came around with overdose. We got open toast, up in the morning, popping out like open toast. Nigga fuck around, you wanna see this? Ride around with a bad yellow bitch, also there to see that. Damn, came up on some hood shit, real good shit. What's up? Get good, bitch, on some thug shit, too much shit. Ride around on some mug shit. If you looking back, nigga, we gon' mug it. Take your bag, nigga, then we thug it. What? Rag niggas, we be mugging anybody. And young niggas, man, they never had nothing. Man, them niggas said nothing. In the jam with the nine, man, them niggas say nothing. Fuck. And bitch niggas, man, them niggas ain't nothing. What?